So in the realm of credit repair, precision and preparedness are key. So today we're going to explore how ChatGPT, an advanced AI tool, is revolutionizing this process, offering unparalleled support in preparing and executing credit dispute strategies. So ChatGPT is not just about generating text. It's about creating a complete, ready-to-use strategy. The first step is prepping the AI to understand your specific needs. This means inputting accurate, up-to-date information and setting clear objectives for your dispute letters. Accuracy is crucial, and ChatGPT excels here. It can create detailed cover letters and letterheads and complete with appropriate dates and client information, ensuring every document reflects the professionalism of your service. Another critical aspect is real-time information access. With an internet connection, ChatGPT can perform up-to-the-minute searches, integrating the last data and legal guidelines into your dispute letters. This ensures your correspondence is not only tailored, but also current and compliant. So once your letters are crafted, ChatGPT makes the final steps effortless. In fact, it formats the output for easy copying and pasting into Word or other text editors. So this seamless transition from creation to application streamlines the entire process, saving you time, money, and ultimately reducing errors. And the result? Well, you get meticulously prepared, comprehensive, and accurate dispute letters ready to be sent to credit bureaus all across the United States. ChatGPT isn't just an AI. It's a crucial partner in your journey to credit perfection. So I invite you to embrace the power of ChatGPT in your credit repair business because it's more technology. It's a pathway to enhance accurate, efficient, and success in all your credit-related endeavors.